So there you go. You can just use that now on your two at the bottom. Crank them up. No, just use a ratchet. Lovely. Yep. Perfect. Right, that one. Do you want a longer extension belt?
Yes, please.
Okay, try that one.
Hi, Yosho.
Have a think about it.
I'd say what bloody James May says, bollocks.
James May, he just says, Colton! Happy?
Yep.
Nice and tight?
It's not
Oh, you don't want to over tighten it. Righto, chuck your ringy up on that one.
Where?
Right there in your hand.
Oh.
No, put the ring, put the ring in. That's it. Beautiful. Job done.
I've got it back all back on.
Well, I won't bother putting the plastics on until tomorrow, once that thread seal has dried, and we can run it up and make sure it's got no leaks.
So just put all this away?
Yeah, we'll put our tools away, and we have to go on the hunt for one 10mm nut. And I can't see it. I never saw it come down here. I didn't hear it come down here.
No, it stopped on.
I wonder if it's sat on that little ledge there. No, don't do that. Don't do that. What I'll do is Harrison. You are lucky you got my spanner back. Right. We'll grab a magnetic screwdriver.
Well, just shove it around there.
Yeah, and see if you can get it to
Stick.
There you go. That might be too big. You might not be able to.
I'm not lucky.
See if you can sort of just very slowly and gently get it up the back there in case it is just sat on that shelf. No, that's fine as well.
Is there a smaller magnetic one?
Yeah, but it won't be then long enough to reach that far in.
Yeah, that's why I should.
Where is it? It's now become a dad problem. Yay for me.
I can't show you. I'm gonna try. Oh, why don't we just get your phone so you have a look with the flash?
I don't think you'll be able to see up there. I mean, if you think that, grab that torch and have a look.
No, I can't see it. I can't see through that. That's that.
No, we're just going to have to sort of wait for it to rattle down.
Yeah.
And hope that it sits on that shelf at the bottom. Alright.